Fabino Meniaji is saying to me winning. We are going home with our 3 points with 2 goals. But I say, in fact, my assessment on the match, and let me say, majority now, a lot of fans now complaining about how the coach, let me say, the time our day, the changes, and too late because Fabio say the guy was, he was doing well, but now I see changing, around 60s. But Ojana Manikwe Nimuna was bad. And I'm Mourinho so Suleniano, so me say the performance no akakakra. Akakakra say Ghana the old baby e be ka ho asem. E be ka ho asem but your team in fact you hear technical head. You hear technical head seriously because you ntimi fa way enko Africa. Because setting for a committee no. You show me videos kakra you say guys they are strong and Kotoko no me say your performance any strength in do standard in me say misukakra mi hu fa ho yeah.
Okay, Fabulous Zone the mouthpiece of Kotoko supporters.
Yeah.
And now I know can say the management, the board, they are all going to listen to you. Exactly. What advice will you give to the management in terms of getting a new technical head? Should they go for a white coach or a Ghanaian?
Wow, thank you. Ghanaian I so to me a hold Kotoko and so to me a lead Kotoko it's okay, but if you bet to me a white man, no bet to me a lead Kotoko na. Me this a bad boy because you are pay the betterment of the club. Yes, in this white man no bet to me a lead Kotoko to the victory way they are. We don't have problem. Dan see a local play and a local manager. Now like Obama pressure and a whole lot of intimidate. And can I advise board no say Omo White manager no made and only lead the team. Yeah.
But as